The question is, in the bracket, 36 divided by 6 plus 4, bracket closed, multiplied by, in the bracket, 9 divided by 3 plus 1, according to the PEMDAS rule. P for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We know that here, multiplication and division have the same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction also have the same priority, and we apply the PEMDAS rule from left to right. So first, we will solve the parentheses. Now after that, since division, subtraction, and multiplication have the same priority, we'll check them, and then we'll do addition and subtraction. So here, among multiplication, division, and addition, we'll solve the division first. So 36 will be divided by 6, not fixed time. 6 plus 4, in brackets, close, times 9. Divided by 3 plus 1. Let's do it for 15 years. 6 plus 4 multiplied, here 9 will be divided by 3, so that's 3. 3 plus 1 now. 6 plus 3 will be 4. Fun. Multiply here. 3 plus 1 will be 4. Let's do 900. 10 times 4. 10 times 4 equals 242. This is the right answer.